Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my best friend's brand. She just started. It is a very high quality, amazing jewelry company. I absolutely love it. So let's just go ahead and get started. First off, we have the card that has a promo code for the next time you purchase. I am going to go ahead and cover that up because it is for people who have purchased only, but that's for 20% off of your second order, so it's an awesome deal. But yeah, her brand is called Local to Label. This is so cute looking. I absolutely love it. It has a little picture of a beach in the background. Next off, we have a little thank you card, and for people she does know, she is doing little personalized cards. I absolutely love that. I think it's an amazing touch. And then you also get this cute little Polaroid of Venice. That is what this collection is called, is the Venice collection. All of the pieces are named after streets in Venice Beach, California. So I think it's so cute and got thought out. Next up, we have the Clune Sunnies. I absolutely love these sunglasses. They're very 90s Y2K inspired. So cute, either on your face or in your hair. So yeah, love those. I am definitely just going to go ahead and wear those for the rest of the video. Next up, we have the Grayson hoops. These are a turtle shell hoop. I have been wearing these like crazy. Did have a pair before she dropped this site, and I absolutely love them. I have very sensitive ears, and these ones have been awesome. They're extremely lightweight and comfortable, and they're so cute. I've gotten a ton of compliments when I've worn them. I'm not gonna wear them because I am gonna wear some other ones that I got in the package. Next up, we have the Clementine earrings. These are so pretty. These are sterling silver gold plated earrings, so they're super high quality. I did buy these myself. I absolutely love them. I think they are the perfect staple piece, especially now that summer is coming up or any time of the year. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. Like I said, I've been waiting to buy these. I am so excited about those ones. Next up, another piece that I have been waiting to buy. This is the Navarre gold-plated necklace, a piece that Liz has been wearing like crazy, and I cannot keep my eyes off of it. I did wear one for some pictures that we took, but I absolutely love it. I love how it looks, and it has like a really long chain, so it's very adjustable with how long you want to wear it. You can wear it fairly long or fairly short, but it's just a good, perfect medium length gold-plated necklace. Once again, sterling silver, gold-plated, extremely good quality. Next up, I actually have a couple of pieces that have not been dropped quite yet. This first one is a gorgeous, once again, gold-plated, very good quality necklace. It has a little black square, which I absolutely love. I am obsessed with black. It's all I wear. I'm very gothic, so this is right up my alley. It's a perfect layering piece with the Navarre necklace. I am extremely excited for her to drop those so that you can hopefully get your hand on one of those. So pretty. And then last, we have these cute little oval hoops, and these ones are also on the next drop, so they are not available quite yet. All right guys, they look so cute. I absolutely love them. They're super cute stacked. I am so excited for her and this company. I think she's done an amazing job. Everything looks so good. It's all super good quality, and I'm just so proud of her. Go ahead and go give her a follow on Instagram at Local to Label and head to her website. Check her out. I will go ahead and link everything in the description so that you can go and check anything out that you wanted to buy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.